So the S2X program hopefully helps us to take all necessary steps towards serialization, building up manufacturing, talking to experts, broaden our network.
And also learn from the coaching and the mentoring we'll get in the program.
Structure our strategy and set our priorities right so we can hit all of the targets that we got set up for 2024.
We are trying to gather investments to the multi-scope system to go into the market effectively.
So what's really exciting about S2X is the in-house capability to get us from prototype to finished product in a matter of months. So this is something that S2 Xpeed has been able to help us with, is really in identifying where the gaps lie within our hardware strategy and helping us fill them in a time that no other accelerator or startup program out there could beat.
From the super program, we need network and also connections with industry partners who can help us and accelerate things that are very niche in this domain with manufacturing, productization, and get the product to the mass market faster.
Connections to potential clients and connections to potential investors.